How to hide likes on Instagram. First of all, let's navigate and open the Instagram app on your phone. Once the app is open, from the bottom menu, tap on your profile icon, and once the profile page is open, scroll down to check the available posts on your profile. To hide likes, select the specific post to open the screen, and from the top right, tap on the three vertical dots. A menu will appear on the screen. From here, tap on Hide Likes Count to Others. This will hide the likes count number on your post. Now let's go back to the profile page, and from the top right, tap on the three lines to open Settings and Activity menu. Here, scroll down to find the like and share count option and tap on it to open. Make sure this toggle is turned on, and this will hide all your posts likes and share counts. And that's it. This is how you can hide likes on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.